recording. So I haven't recorded a video since like October, I want to say September, October, something like that. It's currently April 4th. First thing, new bars, new risers, everything's all good up here. Finally got those bad boys on. I got a fairing for this bike too, a little quarter fairing from Doug's Custom. Picture top right, about what it should look like. I gotta get it painted still, so it's not gonna be on for a while, unfortunately. But it's mocked up, ready to rock and roll. It's gotta go get a quote and drop it off somewhere. But today's video, as stated by the title, is gonna be how wind therapy is a real thing, and if you don't believe me, I'll tell you why. So on top of like, is it real or not, or like saying it is real, I mean like I'll tell you why, how it works, etc. If you don't ride, you'll get it. If you ride, you will get it. Anyway, back on the ever so important topic of wind therapy is real and how it works, as well as my real life example recently. I'll say it for what it is. I don't necessarily want sympathy from you guys, because you know, it's life, it happens. But I met somebody in October, head over heels. 6 months later she dumps me, you know, it's whatever. Lost feelings, said a bunch of other stuff, but she lost feelings. I could feel it. I know it happened. I could tell by how she was acting and all that stuff. You know, neither here nor there. This happened 3 weeks ago today. Today is April 4th for the record, so I don't know when this video will come out, but today, April 4th, Monday. She left me 3 weeks ago. I was kind of feeling shitty for the last 3 weeks. I mean, I had my moments of like, oh, I'm happy again. But I felt like garbage, you know, it's part of the territory of having the girl you love leave you, which is whatever. I got the bike out. This is my third time riding it. The first time was just bringing the bad girl home. Second time was with Mac and our rider yesterday. We were just doing dumb shit. I didn't record. I just wanted to ride with the homie, which we did. We had fun. We were delinquents as per the usual, but up until I got on the bike, I felt like trash. Like, I still don't eat a whole lot because, you know, sad shit. But I'm eating more now because I have had the bike home. I could look at it and at least pretend that I can ride it when it's not raining out. But that first hit of wind when I broke it out, oh my god, did that boost my fucking serotonin like no other. I think serotonin is the right word. That's the happy juice, right? But it boosted my mood up so damn much. I've been riding that high. Like, every time I get on this bike, I feel better about myself. Because, like, I get in the wind and I think about all my problems, and then they're just gone. They don't matter anymore, because I'm here right now in this very moment, riding my motorcycle, having a good time. I'm turning heads because, you know, Harley Davidson loud, gold bars, bike looks loud, and is loud. I mean, like, visually loud on top of audibly loud. So, like, I turn heads. It's a good looking bike, you know, and it makes me feel so much, it's a state boy. It makes me feel so much better about myself, and I can just go out and be me and not have to worry about shit. You don't have to worry about, you know, not having someone to go home to anymore. Now it's just, I ride the bike until I get fatigued, go home, and I go to bed. Which probably doesn't sound healthy to a lot of people, but it's boosting my mental health. I haven't had a chance to worry about anything. Like, when I'm out here doing this stuff, this is all I think about, this is all I care about. I don't have to worry about hoping for a miraculous second text or second chance. I don't have to worry about if she's keeping my name out of her mouth positively or negatively anymore. I don't really care, because I'm on this. This is my therapy. You know, I'm letting bygones be bygones. She left me, I didn't leave her. That's her choice. I'm making my peace with it, and she's already made hers. And the bike is helping with that. whew. I mean, you get in the city and all you hear is your pipes, and it just feels so good. Even on the country, I don't ride in the country that much actually. But you get out in the countryside even, and all you hear is your pipes. It is such a good feeling to know that what I'm doing is so widely accepted as a positive thing that helps you. Like, no one's gonna judge me saying, yeah, I'm heartbroken, I'm going for a ride. It's just, feel better, ride safe. You know what I mean? That's all you get, which is awesome, because no one tries to like talk you out of it. Like, oh no, you're not in a good mood, don't go riding, just don't, you're gonna hurt yourself. No, they get it. So it's turning into more of my experiences with the wind therapy instead of like, is it real? I mean, definitely it's real. If you have any experiences that are similar, like, leave them below for sure. I am always down to share experiences with people. Hell, it could be unrelated to the video. Just be like, yeah, this happened, and the riding the bike helps. You know, I don't care. Leave a comment, talk about it. I'm sure I'm gonna have probably like 10 views on this, but at least one person will reply to you. I will. You know, motorcycle community sticks up for motorcycle community in this. You got the subgenres of in a club they don't give a fuck if you don't wear their patch or not. But most people will be willing to help another biker in need. So, I mean, leave a comment if you're struggling with shit too. If wind therapy ain't helping, let someone know. If you're ever wondering what that loud tick 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 noise is, it's my horn cover. It's coming loose. I gotta fix it. This sucks. So freaking annoying here, that stoplights. It's either coming off or it's getting retightened. I don't know at this point. I don't ever use the horn. I think Mac uses the horn more than I do at this point, because he'll lean over when we ride and honk it for me. It's just his thing. It's his thing. You know, it's a little niche, a little shtick. But yeah. Anyway, that's been like why I think wind therapy is a real valid thing that people can do and use. And why I think it helps. I mean, it's helping me. I really think that if you're going through hell, though, you should definitely contact people. Wind therapy doesn't always help, I guarantee it. There was a time when I was mentally fresh out of high school, didn't know how to deal with the world. It wasn't helping. You have to reach out to people too, man. But I promise riding is going to help a lot. Ride with friends. They'll be there for you. They'll pick you up if you fall down, so to speak. Guarantee it. Do it. I promise. It's worth the time. If you don't have a bike, borrow one. If you don't have a license, borrow one and try not to get caught. I don't know. Seriously, it definitely helps. Anyway, this has been another Squid Squatch production video of bullshit. I'll catch y'all on the next one, I guess. Let me get past this light before I turn my recording off, though.